Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some green beans. So here I have 1 pack of green beans, guys, and what I did, I just pick it with my hands like so. So after you pick all of your green beans, now you can just give it a good wash. So to my green bean, I'm gonna add some red potato. So as you can see, guys, I cut it in small pieces. I'm gonna have my knife and show you exactly how I cut it. So I use my cutting board to cut the one that you see in my bowl there. So I'm just showing you guys without the cutting board, like how you can do it also. So that's a perfect size. That's exactly how you want it. And I'm also gonna add, guys, 1 onion. As you can see, I cut it up. And I'm gonna also add some garlic. So that's 3 cloves of garlic, okay? So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, okay? And of course, I'm gonna add some bacon to give it a nice flavor. So here I have 1 pack of diced bacon. You can also use smoked turkey or smoked ham. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna fry my bacon. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 spoons of vegetable oil. So now I'm just adding my bacon, okay? And my stove is on a medium to high heat, okay? But not too high, because you don't want your bacon to burn up. So I'm just gonna add all of my bacon to my pot. But guys, make sure you're using a big pot, okay? So I'm just using my big spoon just to spread out my bacon so it fry properly, okay? So I'm just turning my bacon now, guys, and as you can see, it is nice and crispy, and that's exactly how you want it, just perfect. So now, guys, I'm gonna remove my bacon. As you can see, it is nice and crispy, and that's exactly how I want it. I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just gonna remove it as it is, okay? If you want, you can leave it in your pot for longer, but I'm not gonna do that because I want it to be that color. I don't want it to be too dark as if it's burned up. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys, and to my pot I add at least 1 cup of water, and my stove is on a medium heat. So now I'm gonna add all of my seasoning, and I'm gonna also add some salt, at least a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm also gonna add my onions and my garlic, okay? Then you want to give it a stir. So after you stir it, you're gonna add all your green beans. So after you had your green beans, now you're gonna add at least 1 spoon of butter. And you're just gonna allow it, guys, to cook for at least 30 minutes and make sure your pot is covered, okay? And make sure also your stove is on a medium heat. So now, guys, I'm removing my pot cover, and that's what it look like just after 30 minutes. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my potato. And after I add my potato, guys, I'm gonna add my bacon. And guys, that bacon that you see, I fried behind camera. I fried some more bacon, guys, because I want it to be, full of flavor. So that's why I add more bacon. You can always add more, okay? So after you add your bacon, you just want to give it a stir. So after you add your bacon, you just want to add just a pinch of salt, guys, not a lot. And you're just gonna give it a stir, then you're gonna off cover your pot, or you can leave it uncovered, okay? So after around 25 to 30 minutes, that's what it's look like. And guys, I'm telling you, it smells amazing. It smells so good. This recipe is a must try. It's my first time making it, and I'm telling you, I'm so impressed. It is so good. So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Guys, don't forget to share this video with your family, with your friends, and all over on your social media. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious video like these. And don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. So stay tuned. So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys. So after you plate it up, guys, now you want to pour some of that delicious, flavorful juice right on top. So I have to taste some of it for you guys and tell you guys how it was. And I'm telling you, it was so good. Super flavorful. The bacon give it such a nice smoky flavor, guys. Honestly, this right here is comfort food. It is so good. Absolutely delicious. Just giving you guys just a close-up look. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, cause God is always on your side. Stay blessed, guys. Until next time. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.